Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Keyboard Sanchar District Jaka West Janta Hills Kinweng no yiki katu kaniki speed breaker haki lightly ki Jaka bat bu thamai ru hakaway pat ka Jaka kani kalawan hadian ka jinglet jurep Keyboard Sanchar District haka henreutering haka baladan lang u executive magistrate superintendent of police ki engineer PWD bat katnat transport nalor kiwe haka singi pale Kajing penlong ya kajing jurep kadai hadian bagi senjok kinong nya kali kamai taksi hapo kalama Jaka West Janta Hills Taxi Owner Driver Association Jowai kila ujor sya Deputy Commissioner West Janta Hills District ba BS Solia ba kajing buon palat ki speed breaker hapo kasor Jowai nado New Hill hado mi mentedu kalawan ra ya kajing dheng kali kabalakta ya ka kamai kaji kajongki Habayakren bat UDC ulay thu bakat kum ka kaipot ka balayo hakajing jurem kalong banweng no yaki speed breaker hamuralong ne kalat chaka school Jowai public school ha mokandur yautheme ne lat thalabo bat hathlu wania ne halat banle chaka school Jaintia higher secondary school ha ka Jaka speed breaker ha yautheme lapan kanria no khamhakman bat lat stadium ban pensuki yaki kali kibami nayo Kat bahalat halabo hakmat kamadan school on penjem ya speed breaker. Shushu uba soliya ulaya thu ba ka kaipot kala ai jing modru ban ailat no ban yat ki kali arliang kasurong ban rong ban mi nakasurok ban rong sha Thomas Jones Shadulong College Road ne Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital bat ban bu ru ya ka Jaka yeng kali ki kali shimen ne private halat Thomas Jones.
To install rumble strips along the stretches of road from St. Mary Mazzarello School till Lan Kyangba Government College, and it was done today starting at 10:30 a.m. The team that went for the joint evaluation and inspection was the Superintendent of Police West Hills District Jowai, the Extra Assistant Commissioner West Hills District Jowai, officials from PWD Central and Sub-Division Jowai, District Transport Officer, West Jaintia Hills District Jowai, police and traffic personnel. There are 9, serially there are 9 and there are 9 locations, and we will, from the main road junction near Pynkynriah Government College, we have decided to improve by switching to a softer version of the rumble strip. Then main road near junction to Tomium Memorial School to make improvement by switching to a softer version of rumble strip, and in Memory Colony Muralong in front of Vishal Megamart that rumble strip will be removed. It will also be removed in the Muhurduk Junction main road in front of Vitran Inn, and then on that will be then install a softer version of the rumble strip. Then at the out in May, the rumble strip will be removed and it will be transferred to Lat Stadium Road near the Yau May Junction. Main road near Lat Halbo Playground. Make improvement by switching to a softer version of the rumble strip and extend it to cover the whole width of the road. Then at main road near Jaintia Secondary School, remove the rumble strip altogether. And there is no change on the main road in front of St. Mazzarello School. There is no change. So basically, and other notable observations, we will have to repeat the zebra crossings along the stretch of road to prepare the rumble strips on the main road near the junction to Jowai Circuit House, New Hill. And there's also a need, and there's also unnecessary orders will be passed to convert the one-way exit junction to main road from Thomas Jones Senior College into a two-way lane, and also to convert the unused area near the junction into a private parking space for non-commercial. That's according to the report of the joint inspection today. And necessary orders will be issued according to these, according to the report submitted by the team that went for the joint evaluation and inspection today. Take this as part of the decisions taken by the inspection team today. First, we will improve by making a softer version of these rumble strips and removing some of them. That will, I'm sure, improve or rather ease the flow of traffic considerably from this area that you mentioned just now.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.